We are back and it's Tech Tuesday here at Great Western Supply. I am here with a member of the Timberline Auto Scrubber family. Now these auto scrubbers are built well and they work well. You've got your standard size options as well as your 3 different types of auto scrubbers available. You've got your cylindrical, you've got your orbital, and today we're going to be showing you their disc scrubber in the M series. Now, you don't have a lot of bells and whistles with these auto scrubbers, but you still get a great value. And so we're going to take a little bit of a tour of this auto scrubber and show you why it's the perfect machine to add to your cleaning program. Now at the core of this auto scrubber is a really strong steel frame, so it's a very sturdy piece of equipment. You can see some of the steel plating outside of the frame too. You've got it here to protect the machine. You've got it here to surround your command center and keep your control panel nice and safe. Some of the regular standard features that you're used to is the lever to lift and drop your squeegee. These squeegees can be changed, flipped over, swapped out, etc. without the use of tools so that you can get back to what you're doing quickly. Up top, you've got easy access to your tanks. And something that I like about this scrubber is that when the water enters the recovery tank, it actually shoots kind of towards the back corner. So it's not shooting it directly at your motor. So just another added feature to keep your machine running well and working well. Moving on down to the scrub deck, the equipment under here is very easy to access. All you've got to do is loosen your levers here, and it slides right off, exposing what you need to change out your pads, etc. When you're ready to get back to work, slide it back on and tighten these up, and you're ready to go. And finally, if you do need to access your motor or your batteries, it's very easy on this machine. Pull up on this little lever, and there's everything that you need to access. With this auto scrubber, you get about 2.5 hours of run time between dumps and refills. And if you're interested in demoing this or coming in to see it, just let your salesperson know and we'll be happy to show you what this auto scrubber is all about and teach you about why it may be a great fit for your cleaning program. Thanks, and we'll see you next week for another Tech Tuesday.